Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets from A to F in capital letters. Okay? But before that we'll learn some colors. Okay? Orange color, red color, pink color, yellow color, green color and blue color. So let's start. So first I'll take dark blue color and write the letter A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. This is letter A. A for aeroplane. This is aeroplane. Okay, next yellow color. B. B for bed. B for bed. This is B. B for bed. B for bed. Okay. Next I'll take dark green color and write the letter C. C is letter C. C for chair. This is letter C. C for chair. C for chair. Okay. Next I'll take red color. This is red color and write the letter D. This is capital letter D. This is letter D. D for duck. Okay. Next, I'll take purple color and write the letter E. E for engine. E for engine. This is letter E. E for engine. E for engine. Finally, I'll take orange color and write the letter F. This is capital letter F. F for fish. F for fish. This is fish. Right? So let's repeat once again. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for bed. C. C for chair. D. D for duck. E. E for engine. Okay. And finally F. F for fish. F for fish. Okay. So that's it for today kids. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.